Hello everyone, welcome to my online class video subject Maths Standard 4th. So today I'm going to start new chapter addition and subtraction. Okay, you can see this lesson number 2 addition and subtraction. First we will learn about how to add addition of large number. Here you can see the example of first example addition of large number. Large number, that means 4-digit number. In this chapter we'll learn the 4-digit number of addition, 5-digit number of addition, and very first you should know about all the place value. First we just find out the place value of all digit. 1 stands 100, 1 stands 100,000. Okay, like this. Then write all the place value on the top of the column. Then write in the place value, write all the digit, first digit and second digit, and then you just add, then you will get your the addition of answer. Okay, so let's see the exercise 2.1 from this chapter. Exercise 2.1, here you can see the column already ready, only you just add the number and write in this column answer. Okay, so here I solved exercise 2.1. Question number 1, add the following. The question already written in the column, you just add and write the answer. First we try how to add 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5-digit number is there, that means 1000 and 10,000. 10,000 digit number is there, that means 4-digit number, 5-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 4 plus 5 equal to 9, and 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Like this you can add the 5-digit number and 4-digit number too. So you can see all the sum I already solved here. You just write down all this question in a notebook with proper heading. Exercise 2.1. Question number 2, arrange in columns and find the sum. That means this question is not yet arranged. You have to arrange in the basis of place value. First write 1 stands 100,000 and then arrange the column, first column, and the second column arrange the digit. Okay, then add the number. 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 1 5, and 2 there is not a single there is only one digit, then 2 is you can write as it is in the answer. Next, same question D1. Here I solved here 1 2 3 number is there, but some cases 4 digit and here 3-digit number is there. So don't worry, if the 3-digit number is there, you can arrange in the third column. This space is empty, then you just write down 0 and then add all the following. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 and 12. Write 2, carry forward one number to the another column. 6 plus 7 8 9 10 11 12. Write 2, then again carry forward one column to another digit. 7 plus 1 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. 19, write 9, then carry 1 to the another number. 2 plus 1 3 4, like this. Okay, so like this you can add the next number 2 and write both question in a notebook. Next, question number 3, find the number that is 127 more than the 65,349. Okay, more than word is there. So here we are looking for a new number which is 127 more than the 65,349. So we will add the new number by the adding 127 to 65,349. So here we add both the number, then we will get our answer 65,447. This is your answer. Next, question number 4, add the greatest 4-digit number to the sum of the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. First, in the answer write the greatest 4-digit number. In this question not a single number is mentioned or sentence is given. So here we find out all the numbers for addition. Okay, so first write greatest 4-digit number 9,999. Next write smallest 5-digit number 10,000, and next write greatest 3-digit number 999. Here we get all 3 digit for addition. यहाँ पे हमको तीनों नंबर्स मिलके एडिशन करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट राइट इन द कॉलम 10,000, 9,999, 999, then add all the number, then you will get the answer 20,998. Next, fill in the missing digit. Okay, in this question all the columns is ready, already ready, place value is ready, our last answer is also ready, but some boxes is missing. Here we fill the missing boxes. If 4 is there and 9 is there, then what is in the box? So here we write 5. If we add 5, 9 plus 5, then we will get 4. Okay, 14, 4 plus 1. So here we write 4 and carry forward 1 to the next column. If 6 is there and 0 is there, then what is in the box? So 6 is there, 1 carry forward number is there, 7, add 3, then we will get 10, then 0 is already in this column, write 1, then add this both number, add 1, then we will get 16, then write 6, then write in the next column 1. So this box is empty. 8 and 3 already given in the question, but this box is empty. Then what is in this box? How we write, how we find out? We add this number, subtract this number, then we will get 4, then we write 4, and if you want to cross check, then add all the number, then you will get 8. And here this column is empty. Then 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So like this you can find the another number, missing number. Please copy down in notebook and follow this method same in this sum too. Next, question number 6, filling the blanks. 181 plus 189 plus dash equal to 378. So this is your total, and you don't know how many number we add in this number. So solving, let the unknown number be x. Here not a single number is there, so here we assume x, unknown number. Here not a here the number is not there, so here we assume x. 189 plus x equals to 378. Then we separate the x and add subtract both the number, equal to, write 378 minus the number is plus, then 189 go to the another side, then it will be converted into minus sign. Plus is there. If this number go in another side, then we subtract 378 minus 189, therefore x equals to 189. Okay, so here we get our answer, 189 plus 189 equals to 378. There is a word problem. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the question of word problem from exercise 2.2. Here you can see the question of first. 52,605 girls visited a book exhibition which was held for a week. If 396 boys also visited the exhibition, find the total number of visitors. Here what we will do, here we add the number. Okay, so first write in a statement, number of girls visited a book exhibition equals to 52,605, and number of boys also visited the exhibition is 396, and we add both the number, then we will get 53,001 is the total number of visitors. Here we find the total number of visitors. Okay, next, second question. The population of two small villages is 58,060 and 74,192 respectively. What is the total population of both the villages together? Here we find out the total population of both villages. So write in a statement, first small villages population is 58,060 and second small village population is 74,192. So here we add both the villages population, then we will get how many number. Here you just first find the place value of this number, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Then here we get 1,32,252 is the total populations of both the villages together. Next topic is about subtraction. Here you can see the subtraction is already written in the column, and here you can see the 4-digit number. So we start how to subtract. So 3 is 1, we will get 3 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So like this way you can subtract the number. Next, 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 2 4, 5 minus 4 1, and 1. Here is not a single number there, single number is there, then write 0 if you want to write. Then 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Third one, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 6 3. Okay, so here 3-digit numbers are in the place value of 1,000. The column is blank. So here we find out the 3-digit number of subtraction. So please write down this exercise 2.3 in your notebook. And first question, subtract the following. First, here you can see all the place value number arranging in sequence. First is ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. First number already arranged in a column. you should do just subtract. Just subtract the sum and write the answer in the particular column. First we are going to subtract 1 minus 0 equals to 1, 2 minus 1 equals to 1, 4 minus 2 equals to 2, and 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Next question is about same subtraction. Here you can see the first number is bigger and the second number is in column is smaller. Next subtract the number. 2 minus 3, this is not possible. So 2, take 1 from the 3 and 2 converted into 12. Then subtract 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 is not get from 4. So 2 need one more number for subtract. So 2 converted into 12. Then from 4, then we will get 8. Next 8 converted into 7. So 7 easily gets subtracted with 6. Yes. So 7 minus 6 equals to 1. And next 4 minus 1 equal to 3. We just write the next number as it is subtraction method in mode. Next question number 2. Arrange in column and find the difference. Next, from exercise 2.4, question number 2. Arrange in column and find the difference. In this question, very first we arrange the number in the column and we subtract. Okay, so first we write all the place value, 1, tens, 100, 1000 on the basis of the digits. Next, write down in the first column greatest number and then second column smallest number, then subtract, then we will get 6010. Next, this new method you have to check after subtraction. So in the checking method, first number, smallest number on the first column. Next, write the answer of subtraction on the second column, then plus, then you will get 9256. You just cross check, you can see the first number and this is the checking addition is equal. So your subtraction and the checking method is correct. Next, question number 3. Subtract 2469 from 3000. So in this question, very first you write on the first column greatest number and the second column smallest number. Then we subtract like this way. All the upper number is 000. So here we want some one number and we carry from another partner. So 0 converted from 10, 0 converted to 9, and here 0 converted to 9, and the 3 we converted into 2. So here you subtract, then you will get 531. This is your answer. Next, question number 4. Subtract the sum of 9246 and 249 from 12084. Here the last number is given but the first number of subtraction is not given, expanded number is given. So very first we add both number, then if answer is the addition of the answer, we take this answer to subtract from this number. Okay, so first we add both the number, sum of the number is 9495, then write in a sentence subtract 9495 from 12084. So here you subtract both the number, then here we will get 2589. Exercise 2.5 word problem. So first question, there are 6487 students in a school. If 4729 of them are boys, then find the number of girls in the school. Here total number of students is given, number of boys given, but the number of girls is not given. So here we should find the number of girls in the school. So here we apply subtraction method. So write in a sentence, because what problem is there, don't dare to solve directly. Here you should always write in a sentence, because this is the word problem. Total students in a school 6487, total boys equals to 4729, and total girls equals to question mark. Here we subtract for the number, then we will get 1758. So 1758 is the total number of girls in the school. Question number 2. Chintu and Mintu have stamp collection as their hobby. Who has collected more stamp and by how much? Here we find who collected more stamp by how much. Here you can see the total number of stamp of Chintu and Mintu. So very first you write Chintu numbers and Mintu numbers and Chintu numbers, and here you write more and less. Why more and less? Because Mintu collecting the stamp more and Chintu's stamp is less. So here we find if Mintu's stamp is more, but by how many number he collected the stamp more. So we subtract the both number, then we will get 270. So Mintu has collected more stamp, 270 stamps. Okay. Now this is the table. You can see what problem on the basis of the table. Pinku's Bakery has listed out the number of cookies, breads and cakes baked in a year as given below. So these are the number of the yearly cookies and breads baked in a bakery. So cookies in 90,432, bread loaves 24,302 and cakes 16,230. So here we find of the table. Here we find all the question answer. How many more loaves of bread were baked than cakes? Then write down the bread loaves amount and write down the cakes. Here we subtract, then we will get 8,072. So scientists, 8,072 more loaf of bread were baked than cakes. Okay, next B1. How many more cookies were baked than cakes? Cookies number is more and cake number is less. So here we subtract and we find out the difference of cookies and cakes, and cookies is more, but how many more? 3,202 more cookies were baked than cakes. Next C1, find the total number of cookies, breads and the cakes baked in a bakery. So here we write all the yearly number of cookies, breads and cakes and find the total amount, total yearly baked bread. Okay, so here we add all the number, then we will get the total number of cookies, bread and baked bread lova cake. Okay, so this is the total. So please just write 2.4 and 2.5 whole exercise and write in your notebook clearly. I hope you all are understand my video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.